big one. But when it comes to boosting immunity, I think that probably the most important things are to focus on those high antioxidant foods. So lots of color on the plate, lots of fresh fruits and vegetables. I mean, we're in different seasons here as well. So we're heading into winter right now. And so I always make sure there's some raw veg in my kids' lunchbox. I'm lucky that they eat it. Because cooking food actually depletes the antioxidant levels. So making sure, and we tend to go for those warmer sort of food, soups and casseroles and stews in the winter, but always making sure that we're accompanying those sorts of foods with some raw food on the plate, some sliced capsicum. You guys call it peppers, I think, over there, like red peppers. We call them capsicums. They're a really great source of vitamin C and antioxidants, but generally just trying to get lots of color on the plate for our kids is great for their immunity. And the other one I would say would be fermented foods. So the sauerkraut, the kombucha, the kefir, and you don't need a lot of this stuff. It can be a bit of a challenge to get these kinds of things into our kids. They're a bit of an acquired taste, but just start with a little sliver of sauerkraut. On something else that they're eating, they may not even notice, but sort of gradually developing that taste. And just because they don't like sauerkraut doesn't mean you can't experiment with other fermented foods. I don't know, what's available to you guys over there, but one of the things that my kids really love is cashew cheese, fermented cashew cheese Yeah, you can make it fairly easily. I buy it at my local farmer's market, and coconut kefir. So it's kind of a little bit of a sparkling coconut water. They're two that my kids really like. Not sure how accessible they are over in the States.